Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna do a video of us. We had more snow. We made the pile again. It's kind of messed up. We got the skid steer here. We're about to use it. We're gonna make it work. Make some new tracks. All right. So we did a little work with the skid steer. We can't really reach the top here, so we're gonna do some hand work here, and a little smoothing out. I don't know if the time lapse showed, but we kind of fixed up the tabletop, and then we made a ramp there. All right, we kind of fixed it up by hand, shoveling, and I think we should be ready to ride. We'll now roll the clips. So this 2x10 is a little too sketchy. It has no screws, so I'll put 3 screws and see if it's gonna be a little better. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content and like. Thank you.